Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mazda CX-5 versus the VW Tiguan. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide. First, let's look at what's under the hood. The Mazda CX-5 comes with a 2.5-liter engine, delivering 187 horsepower, while the Volkswagen Tiguan has a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, offering 184 horsepower. Both provide a smooth and engaging driving experience. Moving inside, the Mazda CX-5 impresses with its upscale interior, featuring premium materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The Volkswagen Tiguan, on the other hand, provides a very spacious cabin, with an optional third row, making it ideal for larger families. Both SUVs come equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including features like adaptive cruise control, enhancing your peace of mind on the road. When it comes to practicality, cargo space is a key consideration. The Mazda CX-5 offers around 30 cubic feet of cargo volume behind its second row. The Volkswagen Tiguan, especially with its third row folded down, provides a generous 37.6 cubic feet, offering more versatility for hauling gear. Both models also deliver competitive fuel efficiency, helping you save at the pump during your daily commutes and longer trips. Finally, let's consider overall value. The Mazda CX-5 typically has a slightly lower starting price, which can be appealing for budget-conscious buyers. The Volkswagen Tiguan often comes with a longer standard powertrain warranty, providing extended coverage. Both are excellent choices, but your preference will depend on whether you prioritize a premium feel or maximum space. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.